Hi, this is Vanryn. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a text to photo AI generator? For today's video, I'm gonna show you a text to photo generator that I discovered recently. And what if I told you that it's free, unlimited, and super easy to use? Yes, you heard it right. Free and unlimited. Let me introduce to you to Perchance AI, where your words turns into amazing images in seconds. So let's check it out. First, go to Google, type Perchance AI, that one, and click this one. Okay, the first one that will pop up. Okay, and voila, welcome to Perchance AI. So before we generate characters, let's discover first its features. First we have here is the Scratchpad. It is where you keep your prompts right here, and it remembers your text even if you refresh the page or close the page. So it said that it will only be erased if you cleared out your browser's data. Let's test it. Hello. Okay, then let's refresh the page. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Totoo nga. Okay, let's go to the second one, the description. It is where you put your prompts or text. In short, it is where you command. If you see this icon right here, this one is the whatever. It gives you a random ideas. If you have no clue on what to generate, just click this. Okay, let's try it. Okay, gives you a random idea. Magnificent storm avatar, rallying, her power at the center of Maelstrom. What? Fat girl, early 20s, platinum hair, cut ears, bulging eyes, wearing academy uniform on academy court door, sakura trees, close up. Okay. If you have no idea what to generate, just click this. Okay, this brain icon right here, it looks like a brain. Just enter a keyword or idea and it will automatically generate ideas. For example, if I will put the word old, and it will generate ideas here. And it is non-stop, and you can stop it by clicking this stop sign right here. Okay, again, if you have no idea what to generate, just click this two icon right here, the die and then this brain icon. Okay. So this one, the anti-description, anti-uncle. You can personalize your image. You can put the things that you don't want to be included in the image or in the character. Okay, that's the use of anti-description. It is optional. And then this one is the art style. So you can choose what style you want here. Okay, my favorite is this one, illustration. It's good. And they have also Ghibli. Is that how you read it? Ghibli Studio right here. Studio Ghibli. And there's a lot in here to choose to. If you want cinematic, casual photo, painted anime, or no style at all, just click this one. Okay, and then the shape, of course. If you want your character or image to be in portrait, square, or landscape, it's up to you. And this one, how many characters you want to generate. If you want 6, 9, 12, or 3 characters. And then if you're done already with your prompt, and you can click this generate. Okay, And here we have AI chat if you want to add new. And here they have many generators. Just click this one if you want to discover. And if you want to learn something. And here they have a community hub and forum. And this one, if you want to make your own random generator. Okay, so now let's try this out. For example, I will put a prompt here. A woman wearing sunglasses and leather jacket, side profile, close up. So it's up to you. And I will not put anti-description. And my art style is Studio Ghibli. And my shape is square. And I will generate 9 characters. And let's hit generate. Okay, let's wait. So here's the result. Look how good they are. So nice, right? Under the character, we have a persona or chat. If you want to enter a character name here, it said click the generate button above. The character description will appear here and then you can edit it. Okay, that's the use of it. And then let's close. And you can save this into your personal gallery right here. And if you want to download it, just click your private gallery and then click this one, download. See, it will automatically download your image. And right here you can delete it, you can move to another folder, rate it, download, and then you can edit it. Okay, that's simple. Let's see the image that we downloaded. See, the quality is giving 100 over 100. Let's go back, let's close it. And then if you don't want this image, for example, this image, you can generate it again by clicking this one. Okay, generate. See, it generates another character. And right here, these icons, if you want full screen, just click it. And this one is the color theme, if you want a white theme or black theme. Okay, simple, right? So what can you say? It's very nice, right? And let's try this die right here. Solemn angel observing her ward from heaven, vantage point, close up portrait. Let's hit portrait. Okay, let's generate just 3. Let's try it. Okay, and here it goes. Wow, so beautiful angels. And let's click this brain. For example, dog. That's all I have in mind, dog. Here it goes. And if you want to stop it, just click this stop icon and stop. Let's generate it. And here's the result. Wow, so nice. Okay, so let's try another style. Okay, let's hit this dice and let's click another. For example, my favorite, the illustration. Let's hit generate. And here's the result. So nice, right? So, how will you rate this AI generator from 1 to 10? Just comment, okay? Comment below. if you like this AI generator, a text to photo generator. And this Perchance AI has many generators. If you want to know about it, just comment below and we will discover together. So they have AI text adventure and AI story generator. So if you want to know about this, just comment and we'll make another video about them. Okay? So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is Vanryn. Thank you for listening. Bye!